So behold the VacMaster. I think you're gonna have to start over here in this corner. I'm gonna be ready. You ready? She hates this thing already. Behold, right here, look at this. So, all the accessories mounted on here. This hose is hanging. And check this out. There's an actual use for it right here. Here's the best part, is that getting this on remotely. I need more hose. No problem. Check this out. Are you getting this? All these buttons are, what the hell is this? And then it's just so loud. Check this out. Why don't you back into the bathroom? Just go up against the wall, face me, and I'm gonna approach you. And this is only half of the hose. We have another entire hoe extension in here. All right, here we go. So, you know where we are. You know what's coming. This is the dryer. This is where the dryer lint is, and every time you pull this thing out, see, it flies all over. But here is the solution. Well, this just happens to be cleaned. It's now getting, for the first time, cleaner. Oh, look at this. No more carrying it around in the living room and having it fly all over the place. No more terrorizing the dog. Isn't that great? Then, when you come back from Chernobyl and all that, all my accessories. Yeah, she really hates this part of the watch and this. Which accessory should I use? I'm gonna go for this thing. And it's gonna get you. Chernobyl. But we can go. Check out the reason on this thing. Oh, I just happened to get ready for this. Little rocks and toxic crap in Chernobyl. Oh God. Are you getting this? Where are you? Right in my finger. Isn't that great? If you don't even have to use the Wi-Fi hats. Okay. Oh wait. I habitually go to the vacuum for. Don't stop. We're not done, because watch, one-handed old man. And then I can carry it around, have another 20-something feet, and then to put it back, I just simply voila.
Cool. You do know it's just a shop vac.
Well, no, it's a VacMaster. I thought it was a shop vac brand, but it's not, and I've already screwed up the whole box opening because I talked about shop vac. This is actually the #1 competitor to shop vac. VacMaster, who, you know, coincidentally has the same exact color scheme and the picture on the box that I've already
Nice.